The projected cost range for Cardano's ADA in 2023 is estimated to be between 0.3029 and 0.4140. There is speculation that the price of ADA may potentially reach $1 in the near future, although this assertion is met with skepticism. The projected cost of ADA for the year 2023 is estimated to be 0.1847. In this analysis of Cardano's ADA cost projection for 2023, we will examine the value trends of ADA using accurate and user-friendly technical analysis indicators. Additionally, we will make predictions regarding the future growth of this cryptocurrency. Cardano refers to a blockchain platform that aims to provide a secure and scalable infrastructure for the development and execution of decentralized applications, dApps, and smart contracts. The subject of interest is ADA Cardano. ADA represents the native token of the Cardano blockchain, which is an economic blockchain that employs the proof-of-stake consensus mechanism. This blockchain, known as the third-generation blockchain, initially operated as a Layer 1 solution. However, in late 2021, the Layer 2 upgrade known as Hydra was integrated into the existing network. Cardano has been developed as a reformed version of Ethereum's smart contract framework. It also aims to enhance the scalability of the permissionless nature of the DeFi space and contribute to the objective of providing financial services to those who are currently unbanked. The anticipated value of Cardano's cryptocurrency, ADA, in the year 2023 is being discussed. Additionally, it is mentioned that Cardano is currently positioned as the 7th largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. The analysis is predicated upon the market capitalization and the prevailing variables that influence it. The following is a delineation of the projected Cardano cost expectations for the year 2023, shown in a daily timeframe. The channel, also known as the sideways pattern, is typically formed when the price remains relatively flat. In this particular instance, the top trend line is indicative of a union. The line that connects the high points and the lower trend line that connects the low points are both horizontally aligned, indicating that the price movement remains within a flat channel. This pattern, known as a consolidation phase, is often considered a reliable indicator for timing the market, as it suggests that trading activity is confined within a specific range. During the designated examination period, the value of Cardano's ADA cryptocurrency was documented at 0.2740. If the observed pattern persists, it is possible for the price of ADA to reach the resistance levels of 0.3194, 0.4338, and 0.8121. Conversely, if the pattern reverses, the price of ADA may decline towards the support level of 0.2335, which corresponds to the opposition and support levels of Cardano's ADA. The provided graph illustrates the potential resistance and support levels of Cardano's ADA cryptocurrency in the year 2023. The specialized indicator known as relative volume, RVOL, is employed to assess the trading volume of an asset in relation to its recent average volumes. The determination of unusual trading activity and changes is typically achieved by dividing the current day's trading volume by the average volume over a specified period, such as the past 20 or 50 trading days. This method assists traders in identifying unexpected fluctuations in trading volume. During the investigation, it was observed that the relative volume RVOL of Cardano, ADA, was below the end line, indicating a low level of trading activity among participants, therefore suggesting a weak trend. The aforementioned customized pointer is referred to as the moving normal MAMA. The energy pointer is employed to optimize cost data and identify market trends, hence facilitating the analysis and decision-making process. Determining the average expense of a certain resource within a specific timeframe, particularly the 50-day moving average. MAMA evaluates the average closing cost of the asset over the past few days. When the asset's price exceeds the 50-day moving average, 50 MA, it is considered to be in an upward trend, indicating bullish sentiment. Conversely, when the price falls below the 50 MA, it signifies a downward trend, indicating negative sentiment. In the above diagram, it is evident that the current ADA cost is positioned below 50 mama, indicating a downward trend. As a result, ADA is currently in a negative state. However, it is important to note that this represents the present status, and there is a possibility of a pattern inversion occurring in the future. The subsequent item on the agenda pertains to the Comprehensive Strength Dossier. RSI. This investigation marker serves as a tool for traders to assess the stability and momentum of a resource's price movement within a specific timeframe. In this study, the Relative Strength Index, RSI, is calculated by comparing the average gains and losses of the asset over the past 14 periods. The resulting value falls within a range of 0 to 100. As a result, values beyond 70 indicate an overbought condition, while readings below 30 indicate an oversold one. In practice, traders often employ the Relative Strength Index, RSI, to identify probable trend reversals or to validate the direction of a trend. For instance, if an asset is experiencing an upward trend and the RSI reaches an overbought reading of 70, this may serve as confirmation. It could be suggested that the resource is anticipated to have a decline or corrective action. Conversely, if a resource is through a downward trend and the Relative Strength Index, RSI, does not indicate an oversold condition below a reading of 30, it is probable that a potential inversion might be suggested while examining the Relative Strength Index, RSI, of ADA, which stands at 39.78. Based on the analysis, it can be inferred that ADA is currently not exhibiting signs of being in an overbought or oversold state within the Cardano market. The user expresses a desire to understand the expected value of ADA. In the following analysis, we examine the robustness and volatility of Cardano's ADA in the year 2023.by employing the prescribed technical analysis indicators, namely the Average Directional Index, ADX, and the Relative Volatility Index, RVI. We aim to assess the strength of the prevailing trend momentum. Let us first examine the ADX, which is derived from the Dual Moving Average Convergence Divergence, DMI, indicators, including plus directional indicator, plus DI, and minus directional indicator, DI. The ADX value ranges from 0 to 100. Based on the data provided in the aforementioned graph, the ADX value for ADA falls within the range of 31.7953, indicating significant areas of strength. Additionally, the graph also presents another technical indicator, the RVI, which measures the volatility of an asset's price movement over a specific period. According to the data on the graph, the RVI